testing a new site is a crucial step in logging and validating the fire system assets. Use the Test New Site flow to capture assets on site, or save time by uploading a CSV asset list to the DT Connect web portal in advance. Whichever method you choose, DT Connect helps you build a complete site record, streamline future testing, and deliver faster, more compliant reports every time. From the dashboard, tap Create Job and select Test New Site to begin setting up a new client site. Choose your site from nearby locations or use the search bar. Then enter your client's name and review address details. Start by creating the Fire Panel asset. Choose between addressable or conventional systems. Enter the panel into test mode and perform your required checks and calculations. Log the panel's details, location, zone, test notes, and tap Create Asset to save it to the job. You'll land on the Floor Walk screen, your hub for managing and logging all asset tests. Now begin identifying and testing detectors and assets throughout the site. Choose the appropriate test mode: smoke, heat, combined, sequential, or delayed start based on the detector model. Similarly, switch between blinking or solid LED detection. Once configured, begin testing. The app shows the asset as Test in Progress while awaiting a result. Once the result is received, tap to enter the asset's location, zone, loop, and address. Save to log it permanently. Manually add additional assets like call points, sounders, emergency lighting, and more. Similar to detectors, select a test result and enter the asset details to create the asset. Once testing is complete, return to the panel to finalize your job. Tap Finish Testing to access the job summary, review completed tests, and add final job notes. Panel reconciliation is available for addressable systems. Compare your test results with the Fire Panel event log to confirm alarms were triggered. Tap Alarm or No Alarm to match each test with the panel log. This adds an extra layer of validation to the report. Collect a client signature if required, and mark the job as complete. The full job report is instantly available in the DT Connect web portal for review and archiving. You can also send the report directly from the app with just a few taps. The DT Connect app makes your first site visit smarter, capturing a complete digital asset list that powers every future test. Ensure your clients receive proof of testing, a full site asset register, and a professional PDF report every time. On your return visits, use the Test Existing Site flow in the DT Connect app. Instantly load past site records and assets. Speed up your workflow, reduce admin, and test with confidence.